Hello there, my dearest disciples! Ako si Sir D, ang inyong maestro, biyahero at kompanyero, and welcome back to yet another amazing and full of learning episode of Sir D Diary Season 2! Yon! Long time no see, no see, my dearest disciples. It's been a while. Maraming ganap lang lately kaya hindi tayo nakapag-upload ng mga videos dahil dami nating mga ginamang mga bagay-bagay. Pero nandito na tayo para sa atin pong panibagong episode. Yes. At ito ay another movie review, my dearest disciples. By the way, if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button para nang sa ganun ay maging updated kayo sa mga bagong episode ni Sir D. Ayan. Okay, going back, ito nga, meron tayong panibagong pelikula ni JC Santos at ni Bella Padilla. Ang title ay On Vodka, Beers, and Regrets. Parang inuman lang talaga, no? Anyway, speaking of inuman, habang nire-review natin siya, may gagawin tayo syempre habang tayo ay nagre-review. Ako rin naman ay iinom, hindi ng vodka, hindi ng beer, kundi ng water! Yes, why water? Dahil sabi ng Department of Health, kailangan daw natin magpalakas ng immune system dahil sa mga kaganapan lately, ano. Ayan, kailangan natin uminom ng water habang nag-movie review. Ayan. Sarap ng water. Diba? Yun ang water is life, sabi nga nila. Yes, we're going to watch On Vodka, Beers, and Regrets. Yes. Dito na kami sa mall. I'm so excited! Sinong excited? I am excited. Hi! Sa ating mga kasamahan sa panonood ng On Vodka. Meron ba kayong expectation mo? Sa kakaiyak?
Malalasing sa kakaiyak.
Oh my God.
Pagsisisi. Bakit ko ba pinanood yung sila na yun?
How about you,
Dahil
Izzy?
naiyak eh.
Hindi ko magiging broken. May part na magiging broken lahat.
Yeah, of course. Kasi nga, di ba, Bella Padilla and JC Santos. So, alam na natin. Alam na. Dudurugin na naman nila yung mga puso natin.
Oo, magsisisi na naman tayo. Bakit natin pinaiyak sa sarili natin?
Yung gumastos ka na, nasaktan ka pa, gano'n. Aray ko. Di ba? Yung kagastos ka para masaktan ka, yung gano'n. Saya, no?
Sa case na.
At syempre pa, happy birthday to you.
Laki naman sa mukha niya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ma'am Lizelle. Thank you for the sweetness.
A few moments later.
Yay! Tapos na! Diba? Tapos na! Tapos na Ichino! Ang saya! Maganda! Typical.
Nakakaiyak. Pero, ang ganda ng mga lessons at saka
Yes! I agree. It's not a typical movie. Yay! We're done! Kumusta ang movie? Yeah.
Maganda. Hindi
Maganda.
ka maiiyak, mapapaisip.
Yes. Iggy, in one word, paano mo ma-describe yung movie?
Hindi siya typical. Hindi naman siya honored ako.
Yeah.
Hindi siya tulad ng typical movies.
Oo nga, tsaka binasan niya yung natin, yung expectation natin na maiyak tayo. Oh, pero hindi kami naiyak, promise talaga. Hindi. Yeah, pero nag-iwan siya ng marka sa puso ng bawat isa. Ah.
Doon mo maunawaan yung behavior ng isang tao.
Yes.
Ate ka na pala kasi bagay.
Oo nga, mas maintindihan mo yung mga ganong tao. Galing.
Hindi, magaling yung Gracie.
Oh,
Spoiler ka pa sa
hindi, mas magaling si Bella. Nag-awa.
Hindi, si character ni Gracie.
Si
Paano
ano.
niya ginawa si Bella?
Yes, si Francis, no?
So, sabi ko, akala ko talaga wala.
Oh. Spoiler alert. So, all that and more, panoorin nyo na lang ang On Vodka, Beers, and Regrets. Alright? Okay, so let's proceed now to our movie review para sa On Vodka, Beers, and Regrets. Well, basically, unang-una, hindi ako naiyak. Binasag niya yung expectation ko na, JC and Bella, naku, pag-iiyakin na naman tayo niyan. Pero, ng bonggang-bongga. Pero, hindi naman ibig sabihin nun na hindi na maganda yung pelikula. In fact, the movie is not the typical Filipino movie. I love the novelty, no? Hindi ako naiyak, pero mayroong impact sa akin. On that note, reviewin na natin ang movie na ito. I-divide ko lang itong review na ito into 3 parts. Yes, syempre may pa-out na lagi sa Zordy. Tatlong ay image, impression, impact. Oh, taray, di ba? Image, sasagutin ko lang yung tanong na what did I see? Yung impression, what did I feel? Yung impact is what did I learn? By the way, ang gagamitin ko naman para sa image na what did I see, gagamitin ko yung word na vodka. Oh. Yung impression naman, beers. Impact, regrets. Alright? So talagang on vodka, beers, and regrets yung ating review. First and foremost, what did I see? I saw the versatility of the actors. Grabe, as always, no? Versatile talaga yung actors na sila JC and Bella. I saw the outstanding portrayal of the main characters, no? Ibig sabihin kung ano yung character nila na portray nila ng maayos. So, good job yun. Outstanding yung para sa akin. Letter D, the development of emotions. So, tell you honestly, nung sa umpisa parang, what is happening? What is happening? Bakit medyo mabagal yung paggalaw ng ano? Pero, hinihanda ka pala niya emotionally doon sa mga scenes na yon. So, I like that particular aspect of the movie. Okay, I saw the keenness of idea. Very keen yung idea ng pelikula na ito. As I have mentioned a while ago, the novelty is there. And last but not the least is letter A. I saw the advocacy of the film. Yes, for sure. I believe may advocacy talaga ito, no? Kasi it talks about alcoholism. Ang galing nung portrayal ng mga characters. And dinala nila ako bilang isang audience doon sa mundo ng mga taong nakaka-experience sa mga ganong bagay sa buhay. Next is my impression. What did I feel? Ano yung naramdaman ko habang nanonood ng pelikulang ito? Before yan, ay uminom ulit tayo ng tubig. Let's drink. Let's drink to this. Sarap ng tubig. Ang gagamitin ko namang word ay beers, no? Beer. First is, what did I feel? I felt burdened. Nakaka-burden lang kasi ito ay realidad ng buhay na nagaganap. Yung burden na yon is napalitan din naman ng concern, no? Concern to these kinds of people and to really understand them na talaga may mga pinagdadaanan sila sa buhay. I felt engaged. Sobra. Lalong-lalo na ito walang halong biro. Talaga for kay Bella Padilla. 2 thumbs up ako sa'yo. As in, may mga eksena ka po doon. Sobrang galang ka. Eksena ka po doon. Sobrang nadala niya ako. Na-engage niya ako. Especially, meron kasi siyang encounter with pakaabangan ninyo yung role ni Matteo Botticelli doon. Basta, I don't wanna spoil it, you know? Yung scene na yon, para akong dinala ni Bella dun sa pakiramdam o doon sa kung ano yung nangyayari sa kanya, ano yung nararamdaman niya at that moment. Next letter is letter E ulit. I felt emotional. R is, I felt reminded. Reminded in the sense na, yun nga, ma-remind ako na wag agad-agad mag-judge ng mga tao. Lalo-lalo na sa mga may pinagdadaanan. Take time to know them. And I was reminded of that. And lastly, is letter S. I felt sorry. You feel sorry for them. It is really a burden. And I hope na itong pelikula na ito ay maging eye-opener sa mga tao. Both the alcoholics and the non-alcoholics. Yun! And next, last but not the least, now we go to the last I, which is the impact. What did I learn from this movie? So as a teacher, I always look at the values na pwedeng makuha o na mga learnings na pwedeng makuha sa mga pelikula na pinapanood ko. In fairness naman doon sa movie, marami kang matututunan mga bagay-bagay na pwede mong i-apply sa iyong buhay. buhay. I am going to use the word regrets. The first letter is letter R. I learned to respect yourself. You know, by just taking care of our body, by just taking care of ourselves is one way of showing respect to ourselves, right? So like eating healthy, okay, not having vices and all. Kasi eventually yung mga addiction natin na yan, it will lead into a chaotic life, no, a miserable life. Letter E, express your feelings. Yes, minsan kasi di ba tayo, ako personally, na-experience ko yon. May time sa buhay ko na talagang kinikimkim ko lang lahat, you know. And psychologically speaking, na mahirap yon on your part kapag kinikimkim mo siya. Kasi kumbaga naiipon hanggang sa eventually sasabog ka na lang because lahat ng mga angst mo, lahat ng anger mo, lahat ng pains mo naipon na, and then boom, panes. Boom, sumabog ka na. So it's okay to express your feelings, no? Maybe you can find people or you can look for people who are really willing to listen to you. Of course, also you have to choose the right people, no? Yung tatingin mo na they are mature enough to listen to you and to give good advice or that could counsel you dun sa pinagdadaanan mo. Yan. Next is letter G. I learned that you have to give time to heal. Healing really is a process and it takes time. At bigyan mo ng panahon yung healing na yon. Okay? Ang paghilom ay hindi minamadali. Next letter is letter R. Release your anxieties. Parang in connection din ito dun sa express your feelings. You are releasing all the pains, all the anxieties. Huwag mong kimkimin. Anxieties are meant to be released. But you have to release them in a good way din naman. Baka mamaya mangyari yung nangyari kay Bella at saka kay ano, kasi meron din doon si Bella at saka si Keanu Reeves. Si Kian Ciprianos na secret. So, siyempre, meron silang meron silang excel ng dalawa doon. So, baka magaya kayo doon. Kaya, that's not the good way of releasing your anxieties. Abangan nyo na lang kung ano yung sinasabi kong yun, ha? Letter E. Connected din ito sa release your anxieties. Erase the pain. Okay? Erase the pains in our lives. Alam nyo, pain is really a part of life. And these pains can make us stronger. Yan. And then next is letter T. Before that, I'm gonna drink again. Wow, sikat ka na, oh. Ayun. Letter T. Natutunan ko rin doon na kapag may mga pinagdadaanan ka sa buhay, ito, personal interpretation ko ito, no? Feeling mo ay tali ka na doon, kasi hindi ka makawala, okay? Feeling mo mag-isa ka na lang, feeling mo wala nang mangyayari. That when you are in that kind of situation, the only thing that you can do is letter T. You have to turn to God. Yes, I think faith is a big factor in our lives. No? You can always turn to God. You know, hindi naman lumalayo si Lord sa'yo eh. Actually, ikaw yung lumalayo lagi sa Kanya. Because God is always there. He's actually everywhere. He's an omnipresent God, hello. He's also an omniscient God, meaning to say, He is an all-knowing God. So alam niya yung lahat ng mga pinagdadaanan mo. And He knows since He knows everything, He understands you. And He cares for you. And last but not the least, syempre, no, dumitaw din sa pelikula ang temang pag-ibig. That's why the last but not the least is letter S. Okay? Share the love. Yun. Share the love. Alam nyo, mayroon akong isang pinaka tumatak na linya doon ni Bella Padilla na sobrang kasi kinailangan niya maging matapang during that time. Sorry ha kung sasabihin ko ito. It may be kind of a spoiler, but I want to inspire people, you know, watching this episode about this particular line in the movie that I really love. No, na natatamaan ako. Minsan kasi we always show ourselves na parang matapang ako, kaya ko to, di ba? Sobrang nag-build ka ng wall na sobrang tapang mo na and then nakalimutan mo nang magmahal. Kaya gusto ko yung line na sinabi ni Bella, sa sobrang mong tapang, hindi ka na marunong magmahal at hindi ka na marunong tumanggap ng pagmamahal. Oh, di ba? Very tweetable, very postable yon. Okay, statusable ba ang tawag doon? Anyway, so ang ganda ng pelikula. The next question, syempre, as always, at the end of the review is this highly recommendable or should I recommend this? Well, definitely yes. Pero dahil ito ay R13, no? Rated 13 siya. So, ibig sabihin, hindi po pwedeng manood below 13. Para sa ito sa mga mature na mga manonood. And of course, when you watch the movie, make sure that you also ponder on things and make sure that you have something to learn from that. Just like what I did, I gave you the image, what did I see? I gave you the impression, what did I feel? And I gave you the impact, what did I learn? O, diba? So, ano pang inaantay ninyo? Panoorin nyo na sa mga daan-daang cinema sa buong Pilipinas. No? Panoorin nyo na ang On Vodka, Beers, and Regrets. There you have it. Muli ako si Sir D, ang inyong maestro, bihero at kumpanyero. And to God be the glory. Bye!